In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a video on Loom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, set up your recording, capture your screen or camera, and share or download your video with confidence. First, head to Loom and either sign up or log in. If you're new, it only takes a moment. Next, choose how you want to use Loom. You can install the desktop app, which is great for full feature recording, or add the Chrome extension, which is the quickest way to start capturing right from your browser. Either option will give you the controls you need. When you're ready, click New Video to set up your recording. You'll choose between screen only if you want a clean walkthrough without your face, camera only if you're delivering a talking head update, or screen plus camera, which is the best choice for tutorials where you want to be on screen while demonstrating. Take a second to tidy your background and check your lighting if you plan to use the camera. Next, select your microphone and camera. Pick the mic that gives you the clearest audio, and glance at the input level to make sure your voice is being picked up. Turn your webcam on or off, depending on your style, and choose the camera bubble position, typically a bottom corner so it doesn't block important content. Speaking at a steady volume and using a reliable mic can make a big difference in clarity. Decide what you want to record: your entire screen, a specific application window, or just a browser tab. Choose the entire screen if you'll be switching between apps. Select a single window to keep the focus tight, and use the browser tab option for web-only tutorials. Confirm your choice to proceed. Now it's time to begin. Click Start Recording, wait for the countdown, and walk through your demo, tutorial, or explanation. Loom's tools help you keep attention where it matters. Enable mouse click highlighting to show exactly where you're interacting, and use the drawing tool to circle key items or underline steps as you go. When you're finished, click Stop, or use the shortcut if you prefer. Your video will automatically upload to Loom, so you won't need to manage files or wait long. Loom instantly creates a shareable link for your video. Copy it and send it to clients, team members, or students so they can watch right away. If you'd like to polish the result, use Loom's built-in editor to trim the start or end, remove mistakes, add a clear title and description, and turn on captions for accessibility. Finally, share via the link for the fastest delivery, or download the video file if you need to upload it elsewhere. That's it. You're ready to record with Loom.